Hey there, I hope you all are doing good. We are back again with another video on how to log into WorkGenius. So in order to do that, it's a very simple step. All you gotta do is follow along step by step and you'll be logged in and ready to go in no time. First thing first, you gotta open up your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that. And in the URL, all you gotta do is type in WorkGenius login and hit enter. Now this is an important step. You have to make sure you tap into the official page, so which is this one right here. Let's tap into that. And you'll be greeted with this login page. There are two empty fields. You have to type in your credentials here. Let's tap in your email first. That. And of course your password to that email. And that's it. It's simple as that. Now all you got to do is tap in that blue login button and you'll be logged in and ready to go in no time. Also, if you are new and do not have an account, you can simply tap in the sign up button right here. Also, if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can simply tap in that reset password button right there and it will help you with that. So that's it. Congratulations, you have now successfully logged into your WorkGenius account. You should now have access to all the features and resources available to you within the platform. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions and need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.